pillow. It's for your back. It's a back pillow. It's the instructions in an A4 paper. Very basic. It's spray paint in white. This is nylon. It's solid. I think it's going to last a very long time. These are the screws, an Allen key. This is the Gaming Freak logo. Tie your lumbar support. Yeah, your neck pillow. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's like in rainbow colors. Very neat. Extra thread. Trim it off. It's secured by those iron rings. Just lift up and you'll be able to push the seat up. This is the one that will hold your body. Yep. I think you have to put it this way. This is just very normal plastic. So when you go up and down, this is not turning nicely. Not sure why. This is turning nicely. This is where you sit. This looks neat, yeah. This is to cover the side, but I think the quality can be better. It's just a very flimsy piece of plastic. This is where you sit. And this part, arm handles, is prefixed for you, so you don't have to do it yourself. It feels pretty thick, the foaming, because I can't really feel the steel in there, because this is the steel bar inside, yeah. Then they have applied foaming all around the steel bars, so I can't feel it, so it's nice. Stitching wise, it's pretty good actually, yeah. Nothing wrong with it. But this is steel PU. Not the most comfortable type, I think, but at a price of 700 plus, yeah, about 800, it's okay. But I still feel that this could be a better lumbar support, yeah, something like this rather than this. This is just a very normal cushion, but it definitely looks nicer, yeah. Let's try and see. Yeah, it's pretty cushy. It's soft, but not very soft as well, meaning that, yeah, it's a PU type of softness, yeah, I'm talking about, not rubber. But this should hold up quite well. And this actually goes down and goes up and can turn to the left and right as well. They call this 2D handle. As for this is the handle where you push up and then this will tilt down, and this part looks like a transformer to me. I don't know, the shape of it doesn't really look cute. It should be rounded, yeah, to suit the theme here. But anyhow, I think it's standard across most of the gaming chairs. It all looks like this, just different color, yeah. So if you look at the finishing, I think this is still not on par with those premium ones. When you look at the stitching and as well, everything as well, it's top notch, yeah. Maybe there's just a bit of you know, dirt here. Not sure whether I can erase it, but it's okay. It's still hidden inside. Other than that, it looks very nice, yeah. But if you say it's premium, maybe not. But if you talk about the design, yeah, definitely looks much better than the all black design, yeah. And behind here you see this is the Gaming Freak logo. Actually looks pretty neat. And this alien here only have one eye and one mouth. And this is detachable and it's elastic, but you can always push it up or push it down depending on your height. Well, it looks okay. At the back, nobody look at it. It's all in white. It's sturdy and it's not steel. And this is where we can step on. It's actually not bad, yeah. Not the smoothest wheel I see, but definitely not bad. This is where you lift up to actually push this up. Ooh. Okay, so to go down, you just push it up and you need to sit down. Okay, I think the spray paint job here is not really that well done. You can see there's two tone here. Over this side, this is perfect. Yep, this is actually meant for my wife and she loves gaming, so I think this will be a very nice chair for her. She always have this very nice costume in PUBG Mobile where all the colors, all their clothes are on in multiple colors, but the chair is in black, and sometimes she don't sit on a chair to play, so I think it's very bad for the back. This will be a very good chair for her. I hope she likes this. Well, this chair cost me about 800 I mentioned earlier, and this is about 900 plus. You got it from Taobao, and it's all black. It's not a gaming chair, it's like an executive boss chair. But the thing is, this is real leather, yeah, and these are not real leathers. And what you see here is that those not real leathers, the peel part starts to peel off.